Jambo, a subsidiary of Kenya Airways, has begun its flight to Mombasa, Kisumu and Eldoret from Nairobi today. At a cost of 2,850 shillings only, Charles Kitonga was in the inaugural flight to Mombasa and brings us these details.
The airline says it has lined up 5 flights to Mombasa, 2 to Kisumu and 1 to Eldoret on daily basis, with the aim to fly about 600,000 passengers by the end of this year. On the first day of operation, the carrier terms customer response as overwhelming.
If you look to social media, Twitter and Facebook, you see all the reactions coming in. Kenyans are always a bit reluctant. Seeing is believing, huh?
For the first 8 months, the airline added it will operate domestic flights and later open up to other destinations within East Africa. They say the price is competitive for the market and will ensure a sustainable and quality service.
The plan is to go international in East Africa, so to cities like Zanzibar, Kilimanjaro, Dar es Salaam, Entebbe, Kigali, Addis Ababa, those kind of things.
They also pointed out the lack of basic infrastructure as a challenge they are facing as they await completion of runways in Malindi and Lamu. The travelers who used this low-cost transport facility for the first time expressed their satisfaction but pointed out the need for more frequent flights to cater for their travel necessities.
Now that the demand is overwhelming, then they need to respond accordingly.
It is hoped that this cheap and efficient transport will facilitate trade and local tourism, further enabling economic growth. Charles Kitonga, KTN Business.